In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the CapCut end screen watermark on your PC in a quick and easy way. If you've ever finished editing a video in CapCut and noticed that extra ending clip at the end of your timeline, this tutorial will help you get rid of it before you export your final video. This is a simple fix, but it's really important if you want your video to look cleaner and more professional. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once CapCut is open, go ahead and create a new project. This will take you into the editing workspace where you can start building your video from scratch. Now, import your media files into the project. You can add your video clips, images, or any other content you want to use. After that, drag your media down into the timeline so you can begin editing. Now here's the important part. Scroll all the way to the end of your timeline and look for a clip that is labeled CapCut or ending. This is the part that usually appears as the end screen watermark or ending segment. Once you find it, click the ending clip to select it. Make sure it is highlighted so you know the correct clip is selected. After selecting it, you can remove it in one of two ways. The easiest method is to press delete on your keyboard. If you prefer, you can also right-click the clip and choose delete from the menu. Either option will remove the CapCut ending from your timeline. This is the step that gets rid of the unwanted end screen before exporting. Once the clip is deleted, take a moment to preview the timeline, play through the end of your video and confirm that the ending has been removed completely. This is always a good idea so you can make sure there are no extra clips, blank spaces, or anything left behind that you don't want in the final export. When everything looks good, click Export to save your video. Choose your export settings, pick your file location, and let CapCut render the finished project. After export, your video will be saved without that CapCut ending screen watermark. And that's it. You've just learned how to remove the CapCut end screen watermark on PC in a few simple steps. This is a great trick for anyone who wants cleaner videos and a more professional final result. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and check out the next video for more editing help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.